Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we will design this wonderful capsule shape amazing building floor plan. Multiple story residential building as per US, UK and UAE standard. This is not just floor plan, okay? This is $1 million project. So you will learn how to design large scale project using any software, but in this case we will use AutoCAD. You are going to explore wonderful experience journey. I have decade of experience in design industry. So these are industrial exposure. You will get amazing insights over here. So must watch out completely. Without getting completely, you cannot understand how to design this kind of project with exact building codes. Okay, this kind of project designing take tons of time. To reduce that time, we will enhance 10x faster productivity, 10x faster designing process. Okay, so for that, we will use advanced tool YQArch plugin in AutoCAD. Of course, we will use few LISP proteins also. So, without wasting time, let's begin. If you want to download these resources, you can join membership. Well, let this here. So first thing first, let this here, our imaginary plot, okay? So, unit we will consider centimeter, okay? Let this P line, 3000 centimeter, which is 30 meter, okay? And straight 7000 centimeter and just simply join. So this is our plot limit, okay, our imaginary plot limit. So let's see a plot line, okay. See, let this very carefully. If you miss one thing, you miss lot of thing, okay. I have scaled this line type, okay. Now let the center to center from here. So this wall layer we have here, okay. And let this here straight line and move here, okay. 1000 centimeter and 2-point circle, first point, second point, okay. Now just move here. And mirror this side and take a straight line and one here. This is okay. This is our shape. And let this here, center to center, this side and this side, okay. Let this scale, dimension scale larger, okay. 1500 centimeter we are getting here, which is 15 meter, okay. Now let this planning very carefully. Take this line copy and keep it here. 550 centimeter. This area we are getting larger space. Let this stretch 500 centimeter, 400 centimeter, both side, okay. And copy this one, 550 centimeter. We are arranging our final planning, okay. We'll stretch little bit, 200 centimeter more, okay. Copy from here, 500 centimeter. And again let this same, this is our living area and 2-bedroom, okay. So we will just arrange our center line, okay. After that we will do our design faster, okay. Let this here, 110 centimeter. So 110, 110, both side will go 220, okay. We'll extend up to here and let this here copy. 450 centimeter. Same copy again. 420 centimeter. And trim this area. And this one also. Let this 100 centimeter. This is our balcony. Okay. This living area balcony we will keep more. Let this here 50 centimeter more. Okay. Same distance here also. Type AX to convert into axis line, because when we will draw auto wall, so it will detect axis line and will convert into wall. Okay. So the layer is dotted layer. Okay. So this area will cover our kitchen and bathroom. Okay. 140 centimeter. And let this here 140 again. 100 centimeter, and trim this area. And here also. Same distance here and trim this part. Okay. This is our attached bathroom for bedroom. Okay. 360 by 240 we are getting. Wider space. Okay. Minimum you can keep 180 by 240. So we are getting good enough. Same mirror this area. And let this here. Copy. 180 centimeter. And simply trim this area. Okay. Let this remove, not required. We'll keep bedroom only. Okay. Stretch down. And straight line up to here. And this part will go full here. Okay. This is our duct area. And stretch up to here. Take straight line and extend up to here. So this is space we are getting 250. Let this down. Extend up to here. This is our corridor area. And we'll check our spacing. Okay. Mirror and mirror. So we are getting something like this. Center we are getting wider space for service area like stair and service room and lift. Okay. So let this very carefully. Whatever we will do here only. Okay. We have to arrange staircase, right? If we will extend up to here, we will see how much space we are getting this side. 250. Okay. We will stretch from here full up. Okay. For staircase we require 120 both side landing. Okay. And 20 shear wall and rest our stairwell. Okay. So let this 300 meter. Let this 300 centimeter. Okay. Now let this here staircase. We will keep this area kitchen. Okay. So after staircase we are getting 180. Okay. So we will stretch more. Okay. At least we need 180 for balcony. Okay. So 210 we are getting this side. Good enough. And let this here straight up to here. And simply extend up to here. Trim this area. And copy this part. 120, 280, then 120. This is our staircase inside clear area. Okay. And this is our kitchen. And this is our common toilet. Okay. We'll keep up to here. We have to place our duct. Okay. Let this full part stretch up. Okay. 200 centimeter. And stretch this one 200 centimeter more. Now we are getting 200 centimeter wider corridor. Okay. And let this part stretch down 90 centimeter. 110 we will get 220 centimeter. And stretch up to here. And stretch down 70 centimeter. This is our bedroom. Okay. So this is our final planning for 2 bedroom. Okay. each flat 2 bedroom. Okay, let this staircase area stretch down 50 centimeter. Let this full part stretch up to here 60 centimeter. Okay, and let this again 60 centimeter. We are getting 270 and here 120. Let this up to here. And this is our duct area for bathroom ventilator and staircase. Okay. And this is our elevator plan. Let this here 280 centimeter, 40 centimeter. Let this inside, 240 good enough. And trim this area. Let this extend up to here. Okay, this corner will keep attached bathroom, and this area our staircase, this area our kitchen. Okay, so 2 bedroom, both attached bathroom. We have number of 2 flat apartment in this corner. Okay, so whatever we had to do very carefully at this point. Okay, because if you make one mistake, will go everywhere. Now let this double D double W. This way you can check out your dimensioning, approximate dimensioning you can cross check. So we are getting almost everywhere perfectly fine. Okay. So balcony we are keeping 180 centimeter. Okay. So this bedroom we are getting larger. In this case, we'll check how much we are getting space, 635. So let this extend up to here, and we'll keep one balcony here also. Okay. Let this part stretch up to here. Select all the line, type BA. We will explore these lines. Okay. To place our walls everywhere. So wherever our join, flat to flat or outside, we'll keep 20 centimeter wall, and inner we'll keep 10 centimeter. Okay. So just select where we are keeping 20 centimeter. Okay. So these wall 20 centimeter will consider. Okay. Type XWW, choose 20 centimeter, enter, repeat again, select previous, enter. So these are the walls 20 centimeter. Okay. And just arrange wherever you are not getting smooth connection with wall. Okay. Here also and here also. Match everywhere perfectly. Okay. Inside will go 10 centimeter. Okay. And flat to flat exactly 20 centimeter. So rest all will go 10 centimeter. And same here also. So let this 5 centimeter up, because 5 centi both side will join 10 centimeter. Here also. And let this here inside, and this one also inside, because we will keep 10 centimeter wall. Okay. Now let this here 10 centimeter, select line, enter, repeat again, select previous, enter. So we are getting smooth wall inside 10 centimeter. Okay. Duct area, kitchen area, common toilet, attached bathroom. Okay. So here we are getting 250, 270, 260, 210, 465, 295. We are getting clean area. Okay. Just trim unnecessary lines. Okay. So 10 centimeter our handrail. Okay. And change handrail line type. Okay. And layer. So this part full stretch with our building line. Okay. And same here also. Offset 10 centimeter inside. This is our exactly handrail. Okay. Let this stretch this wall 5 centimeter inside. Now these center lines exactly not required. Okay. Create new layer, handrail. Okay. ERN, you can directly create layer. Okay. And change this layer into new one. Okay. Handrail. Now provide dimensioning. Let this SD take smaller scale, your dimension text. Okay. Double T, double W inside walls. Let this here 1:15. Double D, double W inside walls, and randomly keep like this your dimension everywhere. Okay. Let this part 10 centimeter up. Okay. Because this is our ceiling area. And here also let this extend up to here. So our dimension everywhere perfectly placed. Let this ADT will provide pocket door. Choose style from here. This one. Okay. Let this here. Hole and pier width 100 centimeter, 110 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and click over the wall. 1. This is our flat entrance. Okay. Here we'll keep 100 centimeter our bedroom. Okay. This is our bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. This is our kitchen 100 centimeter. Same here also 100 centimeter. And this is our bedroom door. And here also. Let this here hole and pier width 90 centimeter. This is our toilet 1. Attached bathroom and attached bathroom. Same here also. And one here. Simply one here also. Staircase door will keep here 120 centimeter and click over the wall. Our door is completely ready. Okay. We'll provide auto window type AW, hole and pier width 300 centimeter for sliding door. Okay. And click over the wall. 1, 2. Okay. 1 here. 3. 200 centimeter hole at middle wall. Our window. Bedroom window. Okay. And kitchen also same as it is. Let this bathroom stretch up to here to get our ventilator in duct area. Okay. 60 centimeter here. Okay. So 210 to 270 good enough. Okay. And provide window here. 1. This one. And 1 here. So this part will keep mechanical ventilator where we are not getting access. Okay. Let the staircase also. Type here AW 200 centimeter and click over the wall. This is okay. Our door and window completely ready. Let this kitchen door AW. Inside will keep 150 centimeter and click inside. Let this 120. Copy again. So this area will cover our fire cabinet. Okay. We can keep our service area, garbage and fire cabinet. Let this AD and choose service door from here. Size 80 centimeter. Hole at middle wall. Click over the wall 1 and 2 and provide dimension. So this is our complete wall. Okay, you can fill entire wall by WWF command. So this way you can fill your entire wall. In case you are not able to fill, you can fill manually also. Let the dimension scale. Okay, we are getting larger now. Okay, double D0 command, you are getting fraction dimension. Approximate dimension 1, select all. So we'll get approximate dimension everywhere. Okay, LTJ command, choose your stairwell width 120, trade 28 centimeter. Okay, and just simply place here and mirror another side. So 115, 93, much smaller. We must need 120, both side. Okay, let this stretch 50 centimeter. Okay, we have stretched our duct area to match our staircase required spacing. Let this here 35. Now we'll check how much space we are getting. 128, 130. Okay, so we are getting good enough our wider space in kitchen. Okay, so let this here. Just keep it here 10 centimeter. So one side 120 we are getting and one side wider space. Okay, no problem. Just let this as it is. Now we have to place our furniture layout. Okay, double J command, living room, and take 2-point rectangle. By pressing S, sofa style, and by pressing T, your TV set. Okay, so this is okay, and one here also. Double J command, dining room, and take here. This is our wider internal living area. Okay, let this dining room and take here. Double J command, choose bedroom and take 2-point rectangle. So this way you can place your complete furniture for bedroom. Chair, TV set, chest plan. So this chest plan getting out, let this YG, take first point, second point. Exact spacing your chest plan. Okay, double J command, bedroom, take 2-point rectangle, and by pressing T you can switch your TV set and take here. Same again YG, first point, second point, and place like this. Double J command, bedroom, and take 2-point rectangle. Press T one time to get your TV set. YG, first point, second point. Double J command, bedroom, take first point and second point, and make like this. Pressing T for TV set. Let this smaller, this one okay. Move this bed here and rotate little bit your chair. Okay. Double J command, toilet, take 2-point rectangle, and by pressing A you can switch your arranging mode. Double J command, toilet, and take here. Double J command, toilet, take here. Double J command, toilet. So here bathtub not required. In this case, double J command, toilet. Take 2-point rectangle. Here bathtub not required, okay. In this case, by pressing B continue, you can remove bathtub, okay. Double J command, kitchen, and take 2-point rectangle. Here we'll keep our furniture manually because we are not getting rectangular area, okay, no problem. Just let this properly. Let this offset 60 centimeter. This is a working area, okay. Cooker and ice box will arrange here, okay. And let this floor tile inside. One bedroom here. Double J command, toilet. Take 2-point rectangle and place here. See, this part we are not getting ventilator naturally. So we'll keep mechanical ventilator, okay. Remember, this is just plan. There are many things behind. Services, structural detailing, MEP coordination deeply, structural load calculation. There are many things. This plan exactly the foundation. When you arrange planning, we'll go with many process, okay. Let this balcony hatch, double HA to switch hatch angle. Let this exact horizontal match this one to this one, and let this part full vertical, okay. Let this hatch pattern any light color. So our 2-bedroom flat apartment, this corner completely ready, okay. Let this here our lift elevator. So this area will go full mirror, right? So 10 cm outside just trim, okay, this part, because we'll go mirror another side exactly. We'll use one LISP routine to place automatic text. Means we will not input manually bedroom, kitchen, living, dining, whatever. We will take one wonderful list that I created using AI tool, okay. So that list we will take from here. You can explore more than 300 plus advanced automation tasks. You will get amazing insights over there. List routines, free use block and lot. Just check out. Type ATX, click inside. Bedroom and bedroom. Same let this bathroom. So what you have to do, just you have to click here and you will get your text. You do not require any manual input. Now you see here. So this will save you a lot of time. Kitchen, corridor, pantry, dining, living, balcony. Here also so these are the master bedroom, right? Attached bathroom we have. So we'll keep M bedroom, one here, and here. See, all the bedroom have master bedroom. Means we are getting everywhere attached bathroom. Kitchen, balcony, staircase, So we'll place that area our furniture manually because we are getting irregular shape. Okay. And here let us here our shower area and just place floor tile. Okay. Text we are getting larger ASC. Let this is smaller. Okay. Let this little bit bigger. This is our duct area, service room, and take straight here 10 centimeter trim because we'll go mirror, right? And one duct here. And this is a crossing line. Text mask will overlap our hatches, dimensions, and other thing. Okay. Let's DTJ elevator plan. Okay. Take 2-point rectangle and click back side and click front side. So this way you can place your elevator plan. Select all and take base points. Straight to up, erase source object no, enter. Select all, straight to horizontal, erase source object no. So if you see here number of 4 stair, 4 elevator, so this area will cover entire service room. Okay. Of course we can utilize this area to our apartment. As I said, this is just from scratch. This is your foundation. Inside there are many things. Each unit have higher value. You have to understand how to utilize each and every spacing. Okay, it is not like just make one time and submit for planning. No. You have to go one by one and you have to understand how to utilize all the spacing perfectly. Okay, so this part will keep service room, right? So extend everywhere as much as required space we need. Okay. This is our duct. We require duct for service also, mostly for gas room. Okay. Let this here, one more service room here. Type AD, service door, and here also. And let this here, hatch fill. Same this part will go mirror, other side service. Okay. Just trim entirely and simply mirror from another side. Okay. So service room means your electrical room, water meter, gas room, CCTV, telephone, garbage room. So these all the rooms will cover here. And center we are getting wider space for corridor. Okay. So for now let this service room only. So here we are getting wider space for service room. So let this area full remove and we'll keep only fire cabinet both side. Okay. And just provide dimensioning and hatch. Okay. See, 350 is much wider. Of course we can utilize this area. Minimum we need 180 to 200 centimeter. So we can use this area in our apartment. It depends on multiple revisions. Okay. So this is our core foundation, means our plan will look like this. and stretching, arrangement, rearrangement, revision. It depends on client need, okay? And of course, you have to follow building codes. Exactly, you cannot keep bedroom without ventilator, kitchen without ventilator, services without any spacing. So you have to follow everything, okay? This is not like you are drawing just lines only. You have to do many and many things, okay? So let us hash pattern and XTC. So what you see here exactly our refine filter technique to make planning faster, and of course these are less with building codes. So this is our building line, exactly our building line. These are the things we are considering imaginary plot, okay? So you can provide offset. So there is setback. You have to make your building within the plot by providing wider space, 4 sides everywhere, okay? Typical floor plan. So here we are getting 2 flat apartment, 1 corner, same we have placed mirror, that become 8 flat apartment. So this way you can effectively design floor plan faster and go through building codes. These are industrial experience theory, okay? This is not just I'm making blindly. I have more than 10 years of experience in design industry. So what you see, there is not exactly like just like easy. No. It takes time, repeated input, hard work, smart work, combination of effort, then you will get result. Never go shortcut, okay? There is no shortcut for success. You have to make your own way. Then you have to go with that way, okay? With experiment, mistakes, lot of mistake, experiment, improvement, enhancement, then you will get filtered result. So we have successfully designed this wonderful capsule shape residential building floor plan. So this way effectively you can design any kind of floor plan faster and you can go through building codes. If you take a closer look, everything arranged professionally. Well, if you want me to explore this building series like section, elevation, plan, everything, let me, okay? You can download these resources by joining membership or you can enroll the course that we are going to publish, okay?